Welcome to another tutorial of AdPeekr. Today, we will be discussing the subscription plans offered by AdPeekr. You need more alerts. Upgrading your plan takes less than a minute. Here's how. From your dashboard, click Subscription Plans in the left navigation menu. At the top of the page, you'll see your current plan usage, how many alerts you've used, your limit, and how many alerts you have remaining. Below that, you'll see a banner confirming which plan you're on and when your free trial or billing period ends. AdPeekr offers 3 plans. Starter at $29 per month. Monitor up to 3 accounts. Professional at $49 per month. Monitor up to 9 accounts. Agency at $99 per month. Monitor up to 30 accounts. All plans include email notifications. You can also toggle between monthly and yearly billing at the top of the plan section. Click the button on the plan you'd like to upgrade to. This will take you to the billing page powered by Stripe. On the billing page, click Add Payment Method to enter your card details. AdPeekr uses Stripe for secure, simplified billing. Once your payment is added, your plan upgrades instantly. Your new alert limit is available straight away. No waiting, no delays. That's all it takes to upgrade on AdPeekr. More accounts, more alerts, more competitive intelligence. Whenever you're ready to scale up. Thanks for watching.